444. This is an incredibly exciting time for you. Massive change is on the horizon and beautiful opportunities are flowing your way. Keep doing what you are doing. What is coming has been years in the making. Trust and believe. Everything is happening in divine order. You just have to go with the flow and trust the universe. But our ego is so impatient. It wants to control everything and force things to happen. As a result, we are constantly living in a state of stress and anxiety, and our higher self is patient. It knows that we are right where we are supposed to be. So let go of control and surrender to the flow of the universe. The universe is saying to you today, it is time to get excited again. I am going to surprise you. Unexpected blessings are coming your way. Let go of the stress and trust me. I am going to rock your world. Get ready. Type yes if you are ready. And also subscribe God's Manifesto 1111. Thank you.